Most AI tools in short-term rentals are just basic automation wearing a nicer outfit. They draft a reply or flag a problem, but at the end of the day, you are still stuck doing all the manual work. Guesty just rolled out their new Agent Hub, a full suite of autonomous AI agents built directly inside the PMS that actually executes tasks across your listings. Huge thanks to Guesty for sponsoring today's video. In true no-nonsense fashion, we are cutting through the marketing hype to look at what these features actually do, how the guardrails protect your business, and how to use them to save hours every week. So let's start where every host cares most: revenue optimization. Instead of making you guess your base price or optimize listings manually, Guesty introduced dedicated revenue agents. First is a base price calibrator. It constantly scans actual market performance in your neighborhood and flags any discrepancies between what you are charging and your true market potential. And my favorite feature here is the listing description optimizer. In a recent live demo, a listing was titled London Lofts. Pretty generic, right? The AI scanned the property details, pulled the amenities Guesty already knew existed, and updated it to architecture loft with free parking and Wi-Fi, Central London, in a single click. That difference alone can drastically improve click-through rates and booking conversions without hiring a copywriter. And managing guests isn't just about bookings, it is putting out daily operational fires. We all know that. And here is how Guesty handles operations autonomously. If a guest messages about a broken AC, the comms agent sends an empathetic reply, while the ops agent immediately generates an urgent maintenance ticket for your team or for your plumber to look at. And to keep your field team organized, the daily task planner renders a live 48-hour board, bucketing every task into scheduled, unassigned, or unaccepted items so nothing gets missed. Even better is the risky reservation detector. It scans pre-arrival bookings for fraud indicators like guest mentioning party-in inquiries, missing profile photos, or unpaid balances, and flags them directly for human review before they arrive. Now, the biggest hesitation hosts have with AI messaging is, what if the AI makes a mistake or gives away a free night? Guesty's Reply AI operates directly in your unified inbox. It translates incoming messages in real time and performs sentiment analysis to understand guest emotion before drafting any replies. And to protect your business, Guesty built strict guardrails. You can set confidence thresholds like 90% or 95%, so the AI only auto-replies when it is completely sure. Plus, you can explicitly toggle off sensitive topics like financials or refunds, so a human is always required for money decisions. The two final features push this way past standard PMS tools: Data Copilot and MCP. Guesty Copilot acts like a conversational data analyst. You can literally type, identify all properties unoccupied in the next 2 days, and follow up with which of these were occupied during these dates last year to instantly spot booking anomalies. And for tech-savvy operators, their MCP server turns Guesty into an open database, allowing you to connect custom AI models directly to your live portfolio data. Whether you manage 3 properties or 300, moving towards autonomous property management is where the industry is going. If you're just starting out, check out Guesty Lite using the link in my description to grab 50% off an annual plan. And if you're ready to move your entire operation onto the most complete platform on the market, make sure to check out Guesty Pro. Drop a comment below and let me know, would you trust AI to message your guest on autopilot, or do you prefer keeping a human in the loop? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.